That is a fantastic question, and I'm gonna give you 3 different types of seam finishes that you can try depending on what equipment you have available to you right this second. So let's first talk about why we finish a seam. So when I'm connecting, and you'll have to excuse the red, I did this so that you guys could actually see this a little better, and it's just a test garment, so I'm not worried about the seam color. But when you attach 2 pieces of fabric and they are going to be exposed in the garment, so you're not like enclosing them in a bodice where there's 2 layers. This is a skirt, so there's not 2 layers, it's just 1. And I'm connected these 2 pieces of fabric together. You have to figure out a way to keep this fabric from becoming unraveled as you wear it and wash it, because woven fabric, non-stretchy fabric, will unravel. It'll come apart as you wash it and get real stringy and nasty. So there are 3 ways, depending on what you have in your sewing space, that you can do this. I'm gonna go from like the least durable to the most durable, but all of these will work for a project. The first is called the pinking shear method. And all we're doing is taking a pair of zigzag scissors, pinking shears, and I'm gonna go up that seam with the shears. And having this zigzag on my seam is going to keep it from coming, for the most part, unraveled. This is probably the least durable of those options. If you have a sewing machine, which if you're making a garment, you probably do, the next step up would be a zigzag stitch finish. And you can see what I've done right here. I am running a zigzag stitch along the edge of that seam. See that up close? I actually let my needle fall off the edge of the garment and poke in and fall off as I go down the garment, and that wraps the thread around and creates a really nice finish that will be very durable to your garment and keep that fabric from unraveling. The last one is a serger. If you have a serger available to you, that is a wonderful type of seam finish, and it looks like this and like the garment that I started on. That's gonna basically knit 4 threads together around your seam, and this one you'll keep the 2 pieces together and run it down. And that's a serged finish. All of these options are great. All of them will keep your fabric from unraveling as you wear it. And in my opinion, major pattern companies are really missing the mark on teaching sewists that this is an important thing to do, because you didn't spend all this time creating a dress only to have it completely come unraveled as you wear it. That's very frustrating. So those are 3 easy, quick seam finishes that you can try. Please let me know if you have more questions. I do feel really passionate about this, so if you guys want more videos on this, I would love to know, and I'll happily do it.